We have 3 camp kitchens. We have our travel trailer, we have our rooftop tent kitchen, and our tiny box, Melvin. We have named him now. We tend to pillage from each to get what we need, and then we get out and about and we find that we've left something somewhere else. Camping can be expensive, so we're gonna hit the dollar store and see if we can find everything that we need to fill our camp box. We made a camp kitchen checklist. We tend to forget a lot of things, so if this is helpful for us, we have it available in the description below as a PDF if you want to check it out. The space we have to work with is around 16 by 16. This was our first trip to the dollar store in a long time, so we were super surprised to see the entire sidewall covered in kitchen items. Grab this knife, it was $1. How sharp do you think it's gonna be? We already have pot holders, so let's skip these, but let's grab a dish towel. Measuring cups weren't on our checklist, but for $1, yes please. The dollar store quantities are smaller, but it's perfect for when you're packing for a tiny camp kitchen. Let's not forget those sandwich bags, perfect for sandwiches and leftovers. From past experience, put your soap in a Ziploc bag because it will explode everywhere. They had these tiny little bottles of oil, perfect for camping. We went with the plastic salt container because the cardboard ones always seem to get ruined every camping trip. Again, we were surprised at how many options they had. We finished the trip off with a few small containers. We ended up getting 15 items for $15. We didn't have to buy silverware since we had already purchased some earlier, which a great spot to go to is thrift stores, but the dollar store does have silverware if needed, and can openers. We're gonna put it all in there, get it organized, and show it how it all fits together. Here's what we have in our tiny camp kitchen. Chopsticks, because you never know when you want to use them. Also, if we need to, we could use them as a fire starter since they are wood. We have our paper towels, dish towel, because you need that to wipe your hands. We got our container that we got from the dollar store, and it's gonna hold all of our silverware and utensils, can opener in there. It also has a secondary one, so we can use that for leftovers if need be. We have our GSI outdoor pots and pans that has plates and the bowls, cups. We've done a full review on those. Check out the video here. We have a little Stanley pot that can heat up liquids. It actually has a little cup in it as well. And it also has measuring cups on as well. The only thing is we have a special adapter for the burners because it would not fit otherwise. Pot holders, have to have pot holders. We have some freeze-dried meals. We use the Backpacker's Pantry, Three Sisters stew, and Caribbean coconut rice and black beans. We have our fuel source. We actually have 2 of them in here, since we do have 2 burners. Measuring cups, but I'm not sure if we're gonna actually need the measuring cup since we do have the measuring here. Small cutting board, dish soap, and our cute little container for organizing. We got our little Ziploc bags, garbage bags, small sharp knives, some sponges, and our salt. Put that all together, keep it nice little organized. Fire source, cooking utensils, spatula, sharp knife, and tin foil. So it's quite a bit of stuff that fits in there, but I think that we have everything that we need. So if we want to just grab this and go, take it off to the beach or out to the forest. You can find out about us on explorertrekadventure.com. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.